आंध्र प्रदेश सियाहत चीफ सेक्रेटरी और आंध्र प्रदेश टूरिज्म डेवलपमेंट कॉरपोरेशन की चेयरपर्सन चंदना खान ने प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस से खिताब करते हुए कहा कि रियासती हुकूमत आगा खां फाउंडेशन ट्रस्ट के साथ मेमोरेंडम पेश किया, जिसमें अगले 10 साल के लिए 100 करोड़ रुपए की लागत से कुतुबशाही गुंबदों के मरम्मती और दीगर कामों के लिए इस्तेमाल किया जाएगा। इस मौके पर उनके हमरा और भी दीगर लोग मौजूद थे।
डायरेक्टर रामकृष्ण गारू come on to the dais. So let me introduce first, Ma'am Chandra Khan is there, Special Chief Secretary and in charge Director of Archaeology and Museums, and assistant on right side of her, Dr. Subramaniam is a eminent archaeology personality, and presently is a consultant for archaeological heritage works. And adjacent to him is Mr. Uma Maheshwara, is the executive engineer who is carrying out the works. On her left side, Mr. Madhusudan, who is the officer on special duty looking after tourism and archaeology. And next to him is the Deputy Director, Dr. Ramakrishna.
Very good morning to all of you and welcome to this press conference. Basically, I wanted to meet all of you for dissemination of information on heritage and archaeology. I have been feeling that we are talking a lot of tourism and rightly so about projects, but a very important segment, namely activities under heritage in the state, somehow are getting a backseat. And individually, off and on, many of our press friends have been telephoning me, telling madam, what about this project, what about that, what is happening there. And then I thought there is a need now to share with you comprehensively whatever is happening. I start by telling that yes, we are aware of the fact that a lot of writings are coming up in your esteemed newspapers, sometimes good, often controversial maybe, about the slow work in heritage sector and the need for preservation. I perfectly agree, because heritage is something which cannot be created again. What has happened during the Kakatiya dynasty or Satvahana and all, and whatever relics are there, we cannot recreate. We can at most preserve them, we can at most restore them. We can create any number of multiplex or shopping malls, but not these. And that is why the urgency. You will be happy to know the Government of India has realized the importance since last 2 years, and under 13th Finance Commission, I need to speak more on this and give the information. Under 13th Finance Commission, Government of India has sanctioned 100 crores for preservation, restoration of heritage structures. So when we are talking of preservation, restoration by heritage, we are meaning built heritage first. What is built heritage? Built heritage and monuments, forts. Monuments means forts, let us say one of the forts, let us say Venukunda Fort. Then there are temples of 7th century, 11th century, exquisitely known for sculpture, architecture. There are museums, and then therefore we have now, what we have done is that we have already under 13th Finance, Mr. Subramaniam beside me, he is specially appointed as a special officer for 13th Finance Commission to exclusively monitor the 13th Finance Commission works. And Mr. Uma Maheshwara beside him is also the new E who has been put in archaeology. We have made a team because we thought that if we had to address the challenge of speeding up the works and all, we need a team within the existing archaeology. So, and then there are restaurants, there are conservationists, empaneled ones, archaeologists, and we have drafted quite a few of them to help us in this kind of work. Having said that, under 13th Finance Commission, we have identified 240 works. 240 works. Out of that, 86 works are already going. Now that so many works and all, it is in your kit. the kits that we have given you the names of the works, we have given you the amount that is for each one. We are here to share information here with the heritage initiatives under Archaeology Department and others under tourism with our press friends here, because quite often I find that many are asking about heritage off and on individually. Andukante, I thought that we should share whatever is happening and whatever will happen. Under 13th Finance Commission there is a sanction of 100 crores, and this is for monuments, museums, temples, restoration, conservation. We have started most of the works. We have also constituted heritage committees. The final number will be anything about 100 committees now. We will be training one member from each committee. Apart from that, we are going to start a heritage conservation restoration course in National Institute of Tourism and Hospitality Management from June, because there is a severe lack of conservation and heritage architects and restorers and all, because without them we cannot touch these kinds of old monuments of 11th century, 12th century and all. We are paying particularly attention to all the dynasty heritage in the state, Kakatiya Dayar, Satavahanas, Krishnadevaraya in order to side, and we are paying attention.